Good morning, dear tutor. Good presentation, strategic direction, Kaizen Airbnb. My name is Hector Ariza, ground 20. Problema in question. High traveler confidence be experimenting with community and relationships and the using of technology and order to bring people together, causes future to experimenting we way to take advantage of the house sharing room, necessary to transforming our being individual more in profoundly from an technology company in hospitality company. Consequences: opportunity for growth and innovation on the American and industrial. Thank you. Very well.